lot, and I can transcend time and space. Also, I'm coming after you. You can figure out the rest. Have fun. Welcome one and all the Flumpty Bumpties. If your lights turned off, then you're safe. If your lights are on, then they'll come find you and give you a brand new face.
Hiya, best friend. Wouldn't you know it, after all this time, you still haven't survived until 6 a.m. But if you ever do, I'll finally let you leave. Until then, friends, let's play. I'll miss you.
Ring, ring. Hi, this is totally the real game.
Hey, how's it going? Hi, I'm Flumpty Bumpty 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 Bumpty. How are you doing, buddy boy, birthday buddy blam, birthday boy, birth boy? Blam? Hey, pal, what are you eating? You definitely said eggs. Look at my face. You know, it's rude. If I was eating it, it would be cannibal. Don't worry, I'll help you satiate your appetite. Hi, birthday boy Blam. How are you doing? Welcome to my house. Is today your birthday? Oh, I just ate them. I was hungry. Yeah. Yeah. Just a second. Oh, nothing. I just wanted to know when your birthday is. April 1st? How old are you anyway, birthday boy? And how come your voice is so deep? Anyway, I got you a gift. It's in this box. Isn't that a fitting gift? Isn't that a fitting gift?